Hello everybody, Tim Morissette, and spirit is in the air. We just had a great 4th of July, and now we're going to keep the party going because we have a grand opening we're going to talk about. It's this weekend, Saturday, from 1 to 4, and you're going to love this house. This house is beautiful. The address is 7 Corozal, and it's in the community of Foothill Ranch. You know how much I love Foothill Ranch. This is a smoking hot tree-lined street. You're going to love it. The house is gorgeous inside. It's got a lot of sophisticated, modern appointments. You're going to love the house. It's in moving condition. Gorgeous hardwood floors. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,400 square feet. Gorgeous remodeled kitchen, quartz countertop, subway tile. It's huge windows, new windows, romantic master suite with vaulted ceilings, a great pool-sized backyard. Let's go inside and take a look at it. Here we are in the backyard. They got a built-in barbecue, a lot of nice shade trees, a big concrete patio. This should be a great place for a pool. You got views over here. You got this huge area. You know what? Your dog is going to love this backyard. They can bark and play in the dirt all day long. So the open house is this Saturday from 1 to 4. We're serving lunch. It's a special lunch. Michelle's cooking something up with some nice, cold, tasty beverages. In this house, surpasses everything in its price range. The price is $1,025,000. $1,025,000, 4-bedroom, gorgeous house inside. For that price in Foothill Ranch is unbelievable. See you Saturday, 1 to 4. Take care. Be safe.